Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Fluent Lessons. My name is Jessica, and I'm so glad you're here today. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words. I repeat ideas so you can understand everything clearly. Today, I'm going to tell you a strange and interesting story. After the story, we'll learn the important words together. So get ready. This story is emotional, surprising, and full of lessons. Let's begin. Her name is Alina. She is 32 years old. She lives in a small city. 2 years ago, she was happy, she thought. Alina married Daniel, a quiet man who worked in finance. They had a small apartment, 2 cats, and plans to start a family. Everything looked perfect. But one evening, everything changed. Alina came home early from work. She wanted to surprise Daniel with dinner. When she opened the door, the house was silent. No music, no TV. Just quiet, then she saw it. On the kitchen table was a letter. It was addressed to her. Her hands shook as she opened it. "Dear Alina," it began. "By the time you read this, I will be gone. I'm sorry. I never loved you. I married you because my family wanted me to look normal. But I'm in love with someone else, a woman named Amelia. We are leaving the country together. Don't try to find me. Please forget me." Alina couldn't breathe. Her heart felt like glass shattered on the floor. She called Daniel. No answer. She called his office. He had quit that morning. Her husband, the man she shared her life with, was gone, just like that. But the pain didn't stop there. 2 days later, Alina called her parents. She needed comfort. Her mother answered, but her voice was cold. "We know," her mother said. "Daniel called us before he left." Alina was confused. "He did. What did he say?" "He told us everything." "And honestly, Alina, we're disappointed in you." "What?" "Because you didn't notice he was unhappy. A good wife would have known. Maybe you weren't loving enough. Maybe you worked too much." Alina cried. "But I loved him. I did everything for him." Her mother sighed and hung up. A week later, her parents stopped answering her calls. Her 2 younger sisters did the same. Even her childhood best friend blocked her on social media. No one believed her. No one stood by her. She was completely alone. She lost her husband. Then she lost her family. Then she lost her job because she couldn't focus. For months, Alina stayed in bed. The cats kept her company. She ate little, spoke to no one. But one rainy afternoon, something small happened. She walked to the park just to leave the apartment. She sat on a wet bench, staring at nothing. An old woman sat beside her. She didn't say anything at first. Then she handed Alina a warm paper cup. "Tea," the woman said. "The rain is cold." "Your eyes are colder." Alina almost refused, but she took it. The warmth felt kind. "Why are you so sad, child?" the woman asked gently. Alina told her everything, the letter, the lies, the silence from her family. The woman listened. No judgment. No advice, just listening. When Alina finished, the woman said, "You didn't lose your husband. You lost a lie. And your family, they failed you. That's their shame, not yours." Alina cried harder than ever. The woman stayed until the rain stopped. She said, "Every ending is a new start. Plant a seed, even with shaking hands." That night, Alina did something small. She opened her laptop. She wrote one sentence, "My name is Alina. I survived betrayal. I'm still here." She posted it online in a small group for women healing from heartbreak. One woman replied, "Me too, want to talk." They talked all night. Slowly, Alina began to heal. She found a part-time job at a bookstore. She started walking every morning. She even adopted a third cat, a tiny black one with bright green eyes. 1 year later, she started a blog, Letters to Myself. She wrote about pain, rebuilding, and hope. Thousands of women read it. They wrote to her, "You made me feel less alone." Alina never heard from Daniel again. Her family still doesn't call. But she no longer waits, because she learned the hardest truth. Sometimes the people who should love you the most don't know how. And that's not your fault. Now, let's learn the important words from this story together. 1. Betrayal, when someone breaks your trust, especially someone you love. Example, she felt deep pain after her husband's betrayal. 2. Letter, a written message, usually on paper. Example, he left a letter and disappeared. 3. Separate, to end a relationship or marriage, to go different ways. Example, they decided to separate after years of problems. 4. Family, your parents, siblings, and close relatives. Example, after the fight, her family stopped talking to her. 5. Alone adjective, without anyone else, feeling lonely. Example, she felt completely alone in the world. 6. Lie, something false said to trick someone. Example, he lied to everyone. 7. Heal, to become emotionally or physically better after pain. Example, it takes time to heal after heartbreak. 8. Survive, to continue living after something very difficult. Example, I survived my divorce. 9. Shame, a painful feeling that you are bad or wrong. Example, she felt shame, but it wasn't her fault. 10. Hope, the belief that good things can still happen. Example, even in darkness, she kept a little hope. 11. Rebuild, to build something again after it's broken. Example, she is rebuilding her life piece by piece. 12. Silence, when no one speaks or answers. Example, his silence after the argument broke her heart. 13. Disguise, something that hides the true form. Example, every ending is a beginning in disguise. 14. Courage, bravery to face pain and keep going. Example, it takes courage to start again. 15. Worth, your value as a person. Example, you are worthy of love even if they couldn't give it. Now, if this story touched your heart, please subscribe to English Fluent Lessons. We share real, emotional, and meaningful stories every week to help you learn English. Click the bell so you never miss an episode. You are not broken, you are becoming. Keep listening, keep healing. Keep believing. Bye for now. Bye for now.